We are continuing with the equations of a straight line. Here the question is the point B 7, 3 and D 0, -4 are the opposite vertices of a rhombus ABCD. Find the equations of the diagonal AC. Okay, so he's talking about a rhombus. So we have a rhombus ABCD. It doesn't look like a rhombus, but A, B, C, D is a rhombus, and B, coordinates of B are 7 and 3 and coordinates of D are 0 and -4. These are the two opposite vertices of the rhombus. You have to find the equation of AC. Now how do we do that? Now we have to go back and remind ourselves the property of the rhombus. We know that the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree in a rhombus. That means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Diagonals are unequal. They are not equal, but they bisect each other, right? So this point, let's name this point as O, is the point where these two diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree. Now we are given the coordinates of the opposite side, so we can find these coordinates of O. How? Because O is the midpoint of BD also, O is the midpoint of AC also. Fine. So let's find the coordinates of O, which is equal to, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. That's how we find the coordinates of a midpoint. So the coordinates of O will be 0 plus 7 by 2 and -4 plus 3 by 2. So I have found the coordinates of O as 7 by 2 and -1 by 2. Fine. Okay. What are we going to find actually? We want to find the equation of AC. So we got the point through which AC is passing. Now we want the slope of AC also. For that, if we calculate the slope of BD, then the slope of AC into slope of BD will be -1. So we will be able to find the slope of AC, right? So we can write this as my point B is 7 and 3 and my point D is 0 and -4. So let me find the slope of BD. This will be x1 y1, this will be x2 y2. So slope of BD is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So what is my y2? -4, y1 is -3, x2 is 0 and -7. So this is -7 upon -7, which is equal to +1. Minus and minus will go. This will be +1. We have found the slope of BD. Now I know that slope of BD into slope of AC is equal to -1. Why? Because they are perpendicular to each other. Slope of BD is 1. So 1 into slope of AC is equal to -1. So I got slope of AC as -1. Now I have slope also, I have point also. So what is the point? O, 7 by 2 and -1 by 2. This will become my x1 and this will become my y1. I can calculate I can find the equation of AC. Therefore, equation of AC is equal to y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. So y, what is my y1? Minus, this becomes +1 by 2 equal to, this is -1 into x minus 7 by 2. So if you take 2 as LCM, so what will you get? 2y plus 1. Here -1, if you take 2x minus 7, 2 as LCM, you will get 2x minus 7. This and this will go. Now finally you are left with 2y plus 1 is equal to -2x plus 7. Let's shift these to this side. So we'll get 2x plus 2y plus 1 minus 7 equal to 0. So you get 2x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. If you can take 2 common, you will get x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the diagonal AC. Fine? Okay. Now next one. Next one is also almost the similar. In this question, the points A and C are two opposite vertices of a square. Now this time we have a square. See, for these questions, you should be very much knowing the properties about these figures. You should be able to remember the properties of these figures. Now we have a square. 1, 3 is one of its vertices. And this is B, we don't know. This C is 6 and 8, and D you don't know, right? Now he's saying that A and C are the opposite vertices of a square ABCD. Find the equation of the diagonal BD. This is almost the similar like the previous one, but we should be knowing the properties of these figures. Now again here we know that the diagonals of the square are equal. In the previous case the diagonals were not equal. In case of rhombus the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, but they are not equal. Here the diagonals are equal as well as they bisect each other at 90 degree. Right? Now that equality part won't help us to that extent. It's almost the same. Now let's say that this is the point O. O is the point through which this diagonal AC passes, and BD also, right? So how do we find this point O? O is the midpoint of AC. So let's calculate the coordinates of O. So if this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. We know that the coordinates of midpoint are calculated as x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So coordinates of O will be 1 plus 6 divided by 2 and 8 plus 3 divided by 2. So you have the coordinates of O as 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 upon 2 and 11 upon 2. So you found the coordinates of this midpoint, right? Now you have to find the slope of BD. Point you found, right? Now you have to find the slope of BD. For that we will find the slope of AC, right? Let's write that. A is 1 and 3 and C is 6 and 8. So this is my x1 and y1. This is my x2 and y2. Therefore, slope of AC will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is 8 minus 3 upon 6 minus 1, which is 5 upon 5, which is 1. So we found the slope of AC as 1. Now we know that slope of AC into slope of BD will be minus 1 because they are perpendicular lines, right? But we have found the slope of AC as 1 into slope of BD equal to minus 1. So you have found the slope of BD as minus 1. You also have the point through which BD passes, that is 7 by 2 and 11 by 2. Now this becomes your x1 and this becomes your y1. You can now find the equation through BD or equation of this diagonal BD. Therefore, equation of BD will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus, what is your y1? 11 by 2 equal to minus 1 into x minus 7 by 2. So you can take 2 LCM. So 2y minus 11 is equal to minus 1 into 2x minus 7 upon 2. 2 and 2 will go. So finally you have 2y minus 11 equal to minus 2x plus 7. Shift all of these to this side. So you get 2x plus 2y minus 11 plus 7 equal to 0. So 2x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Right? So here you will get, have we made some mistake somewhere? This is 2x plus 2y minus 11. Oh, this will be minus. If we shift this to this side, this will be minus. So this will be 11 minus 7 is 18 here. So we will take 2 as common. So we will get x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation of the diagonal BD. Fine. That's what he wanted us to find. The equation of diagonal BD.